Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use COUNTIF or using array formula on Google Sheets. So here I already generate a random numbers between 1 to 10. I break it until about 100 rows, which is 100 data. And then I want to count if from number 1 into 10 ascendingly. So here I'm sorry. So here I want to make it as an array formula, so make it easy. Just one formula for all the numbers to count 1, 2, 3 until 10 for this data. So you use this simple formula. You put array formula at the beginning, and then you just use COUNTIF as usual. The range of data, of course, A3 to A to the bottom. And then here on the criterion, you put range instead of cells. So instead of cell, you can click range. You can input range here. So when we hit enter, it returns all the COUNTIF from number 1 into 10. So very easy. Make sure you put this section as a range, and make sure you put array formula at the beginning of the COUNTIF. So if you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.